We're looking at homework from section 2.3. This is question number 11. The number of credits being taken by a sample of 13 full-time college students are listed below. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data, if possible. If any measure cannot be found or does not represent the center of the data, explain why. So, before finding these three measures of central tendency, it might be a good idea if we put the data in order. So let's take this data set and order it, and it would look like this. Now, let's start with the mean. The mean, remember, is found by adding up all the data values and dividing by the number of entries. So if I add up all these data values, they add up to 107, and 107 divided by 13, because there are 13 data entries, rounded to one decimal, is 8.2. So that's our mean value. Does that represent the center? Well, if it's not the least value and not the greatest value, then it should be a pretty good measure of central tendency. So the correct answer here is choice A, the mean represents the center. Let's move on to the median. When we're finding the median, remember that the median is going to be the exact central entry when we have the data in ascending order. If there are an even number of data entries, then it would be the average of the two central entries. So there are 13 data entries here. So if I underline the 6 on the left and the 6 on the right, that leaves this 8 in the middle, and that 8 is the median. So now, does this median represent the center of the data? Well, it's not the smallest value in the set, and it's not the largest value in the set. So it seems like a pretty good representation of the center. So the correct answer here is choice A. What about the mode? Remember that the mode is the most frequently occurring data entry. So if we look for the data entry that occurs most frequently, it's right here. We have 6 sevens. So 7 would be the mode. So does this mode represent the center of the data? This time, the mode is the smallest number in the data set. So the answer here is choice C. The mode does not represent the center because it is the smallest data value. And that's your answer.